Hi, to pair your Samsung Galaxy A35 with headphones, as a first step, let me take my earbuds. It would be Sony, and I'm just gonna open the case, and we need to enable pairing mode. For these particular earphones, we just need to take them out of the case like that, and then find those controllers on the top and press and hold them so that indicators will be blinking blue like this. Let's hold a bit longer, and yep, now they are blinking fast, and we can immediately see this pop-up window that we can connect our new device. But if you didn't receive it, you can just open settings on your phone. From here you need to go in the connections, then in Bluetooth make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled, so you can see this blue switcher in the status on. And now you should scroll in the list of available devices, find yours. You need to tap it like that, and after that confirm pairing request. So tap on the pair, and now your earphones are connected to your phone because you can see it in the list of paired devices. You can see the status connected and even battery percentage. But notice that enabling pairing mode on different earbuds differs, so just check how to enable pairing mode on yours. In my case, I should press controllers. In some case, you need to press some buttons on the case, or you need to just take them out of the charging case, and so on. And if you would like to disconnect your earphones, you should go back in the Bluetooth list, and here tap the settings icon near the name of your device. Choose to disconnect on the bottom of the page, and also you can unpair it, so you'll need to set it up with your phone again. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.